Hey, starting out your business is really hard when you don't have much money to put towards a marketing campaign for your business. So some things you can do real easy that don't cost anything is to, you already have a few clients, text them to tell them that you care about them. Basically say, how are you doing today? That sort of thing. And text them maybe when they're at lunch, and guess what? They're going to be probably eating lunch with someone else. And so that will trigger them to talk about you and your business to someone else that hasn't been in before. So that's a great way. Doesn't cost any money to text. Remember, you're not reach out as if um, you're trying to get your message into their brain for them to spread the word about you, showing that you care. All right. Also, another time of day is if they're on their way to the gym. Uh, get your business in their mind when they're in their environment with their other gym members or workout partners. That's another opportunity for you to text them to make sure that you're showing that you care, but also it gives them the permission to talk about you. All right. Um, Asking referrals is really not that hard. When someone leaves, just say, hey, if you know anybody else that has the same situation that you're in, I'd be happy to see them. Plain and simple. You don't have to become salesy about it. Don't be pushy about it. Just say, hey, I've got some openings next week or next month. If you know anybody in the same situation as you, be happy to see them. All right. Another great one, and it doesn't cost any money, is to write articles. When you write an article, you all of a sudden become an expert, and it builds trust in the knowledge that you have. Plus, when you write an article, you gain so much knowledge. You have to dig deep a little bit, research some more stuff, revise things. The more you revise it, proofread, that sort of thing, you get better at that, and your knowledge gains, and it gets sealed inside your head for to be able to express that a little bit easier every time it comes up. So have articles ready to hand to your clients, because they might know somebody that could benefit from that article that you just wrote. You could also put those articles on your website if you have a website. So write articles. Have about 10 or a dozen articles that talks about what you can do in your office to help those clients. All right. Get out in the community. Speaking events. If you like to work with runners and athletic type of things, go out and do some free work, some free advertising, basically, that doesn't cost anything but your time. But get out there to the 5K events. If you claim that you're a sports massage therapist, you're supposed to be prepping the athlete for that event. So get out there and show that you know how to prep pre-event work and post-event work. I remember back in the day, I would go out to the 5K events or the triathlons, and I was actually do the triathlon and then set up my table to work on people. And you can build rapport very, very quickly, because people want to be around people that are just like them. So business groups are another way. Join a business group. Partner up with other businesses that can refer business to you, but make sure that you're referring business to them first. It's all about you giving to them first for you to receive from them. So put yourself out there. Hope this helps. I'll talk to you soon.